Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have something really exciting for you. So Sephora is offering 15% flat on all of its products on all the big brands, and I'm here to recommend what all you can buy this sale, which is gonna end really soon. So you have to build your cart and just buy everything that you want. So I'm gonna start with the product which is a new launch from Huda Beauty. It's the Huda Blush, and this particular product is Huda Blush Duo. So you will get two products for the price of one, and it's gonna be costing you around 2000 rupees. Next comes a Benefit Hoola Bronzer. This is one particular bronzer that is recommended for all professionals as well as amateur makeup artists and people who do their own makeup. This bronzer is gonna give you such a beautiful sun-kissed glow, and this right now is costing you only 1606 rupees. So go and add it to your cart. Next comes Too Faced matte lipsticks. These lipsticks are a cult favorite among makeup artists, and right now they are gonna cost you only around 1785 rupees. Any shade you wanna grab, you can grab. They're all costing around 1785, whichever is available right now, because these shades generally kind of trade for around 3000 rupees. Next comes your MAC lip pencils. These are lip liners from MAC, and I would recommend you buy 2 or 3 shades because right now they are costing you around 1955 only. They generally retail for around 25 to 2600 rupees, and definitely I want to give you one recommendation to buy shade Mahogany in this particular lip pencil. Next comes the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush, which is retailing right now for 1615 rupees, and its original MRP is 3600 rupees. Can you see it's almost half of what the MRP states, and this particular blush is gonna last you years if you keep it really hygienic, because just one little dot of this blush is so pigmented, is gonna last you so long. This is a definitely a must buy from Rare Beauty, this Sephora sale. Next comes Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. Now this particular brand is offering 30 plus shades, and right now it's retailing for 1615 rupees only. Otherwise this particular foundation costs you anything north of 4500 rupees. So another product that I want to recommend from Benefit is their brow pencil. This brow pencil has been a favorite for decades of the ladies, even abroad, Middle East or the Asian markets, and right now this is retailing, can you imagine, only for 1402 rupees. So this is definitely a major steal from Benefit. Another cult favorite comes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is Dewy Setting Spray, and it is costing you around again 1402 rupees only, guys. I mean, just as I am telling about these products, you are watching this video, please go and put this in your cart, otherwise it's going to go out of stock really soon, because these prices I think are a big steal. Another Huda recommendation is their Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipsticks, which are costing right now only 880 rupees. Sorry, I was gonna say 1800, but it's 880 rupees only. Their MRP is 2700. So just run to Sephora, download their app or go to their website, whatever. I think you can avail these in their stores also. So if there's a Sephora in your city, you can go to Sephora, and do not forget to collect tons of samples. Sephora offers free samples, because not everyone knows this. Sephora offers a lot of free samples of their products, so make sure to grab those and these products that I have mentioned in the list, and I'll see you in the next video with some skincare recommendations to buy from this Sephora sale. Take care, bye bye.